Friends, in this video session, let us discuss about how to export reports from Tally to Excel or Tally to JPG or Tally to a PDF or even Tally to HTML or even Tally to XML. How did you export Tally data into the various formats? Yes, Tally allows you to export data from Tally to other applications. Now let us have a look into the same topic.
It's very simple. Just go to any of your report that you would like to export. For example, first I'll show you how to export the balance sheet. So your boss is asking you to just export and save it on the desktop in Excel format. Is it possible to export into Excel? Yes, of course. Very simple. Just only one thing to be done. Whatever report that you like to export, first you need to open the report page. From the report page, just press Alt plus E. When you press Alt plus E, the system will open a dialog box and will ask you the few points like the screen you face. So here, by default, the export format is XML data interchange is already selected. If you want to keep exporting the data in same XML format, no, because I'll just click on no, I don't want to export in XML format because I would like to change the things. If you want to edit these fields, first you just click on no. Now the system is giving a chance in which format you would like to export. First I would like to export in Excel. My boss is asking me to just keep it on the desktop in the format of Excel. So I'm going to select the format as Excel and make sure that by default it is going to be export in C drive, program files, Tally, the Tally data. So now here I need to select desktop, right? So here I'm going to copy the desktop address. I'm just going to copy the desktop address. So just enter, paste the address slash DSKT. So I just selected the desktop address, right? So I'm just going to export in desktop. You means that in my system I have only a Tally account and that's it. So I'm going to export in the format of Excel. So wherever you like to export, just write your address that where you like to export, right? And now it is asking about whether you like to export in Excel in color or without color. First I would like to show as without color, so color no, and just simply yes, just accept the same. Now you may see that the Tally data is going to be exported in Excel application. Is going to be converted. Yes, simply we are exporting Tally data into the Excel format on the desktop. Yes, now the data is being opened with the Excel application. Now this is how the data has been exported from your Tally to Excel. You may see that the same also located even on the desktop. I'll just minimize the same. Can you observe a new file has been created, and if you like to export the same data in color mode, you may see that again Alt plus E, and the address is that just I'm going to export the same address as the slash desktop, and when you just keep exporting the same, you may see that because it is showing the error that is failed to create file. It is nothing new, only the thing is you need to change the name because the file is already created, the same file name is already available on the desktop, so it is not going to. And here I'm going to select the with color as yes, and if you want to export the same, and before exporting here I'm going to change the file name, right? And you just export the same once again. Yes, the data has been exported. Even now this time it was exported in color. The color whatever you are observing in Tally application, the same color has been exported to Excel as well. Next I would like to export in PDF format, so press Alt plus E and click on no. Now here I'm going to select the format as a PDF portable document format. Yes, of course, and just paste the address and just accept the same. Yes, the data has been exported from Tally to a PDF format. Likely not only the balance sheet, that whatever report that you like to export, you can export any of the report by single click with Alt plus E. Yes, you may see that Excel is there and balance sheet is there in the PDF format. If you want to open the same PDF format, is going to be open with the application. Yes, the data has been exported. This is how it's going to be displayed in the computer. Now we just exported in PDF format. And this is how it was exported. Next I'm going to export in JPG format. Alt plus E and just click on no, paste the address and select the format. Now I'm going to export in JPG that can be viewed in Android mobiles. and this is in JPG format. So that it has been exported in the photo format. This is how the data is being exported in the JPG format. And likely not only this report, whatever, for example, if you want to export your sale register, if you want to export your purchases, that whatever you like to export, just open the report page and directly wherever you are, just press. Even you also can export invoice, then directly you press Alt plus E. Wherever you like to, whatever you like to export from the report location, directly press Alt plus E to export the data from Tally to the different formats. This is how we do. That's it for this video. Thank you.
Hi friends, want to start your career in accounting under taxation? Here the one-stop solution is, and that is accounting under taxation package course. This is Ravi Telugu. I am the GST tax practitioner and also Tally authorized partner and faculty. In this accounting under taxation package course will make you perfect in basics of accounting, Tally ERP9, Tally Prime, GST, income tax, TDS, and also will give a chance to access the content of MS Excel from basics to pro level. As in this course we are starting from basics of accounting, so even a non-commerce students also can enroll in this course. So non-commerce students, commerce student, graduates, job seekers and accounting executives, and who want to develop their accounting skills, and also business owner, CA students and CS students can enroll in this course. And the post completion of the course, you can handle a full company without any hassle free. And why are you waiting for? Let us join with us and just give a chance to make you perfect in accounting under taxation package. Thank you.